How to check TikTok watch history. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can check the TikTok watch history. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is you need to open up your TikTok and make sure you have downloaded the latest version of TikTok, because the new feature of TikTok allows you to watch your history very easily. So make sure to download the latest version of TikTok. After that, you just need to navigate to your profile, and here you just need to navigate to the menu bar at the top right. After that, simply click on this settings and privacy option, and after getting here, you just need to click on this activity center option. After that, you'll be able to see this watch history option very easily. So what you're going to do is simply click on watch history, and there you go. There is all of the history of the TikTok that you just watched. You may just filter it by date if you want, like yesterday, last week, last month, date, trends, and apply it. After that, simply tap on select, and you may just watch the history of your TikTok that is on your screen right now. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to watch your TikTok history very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe option.